Hello and welcome to another episode of Beyond the Pedal, and today you join me at a very windy Croft circuit for the British Automobile Racing Club event here at Croft Circuit. It should be quite an interesting day, a lot different to our last trip here for the Ford for the RS Owners Club meet. Today's a very race focused track event, so we're going to see loads of racing. Great news about today, we also get to go around and see loads of the cars in the paddock and all the steps. So I'll quickly whiz you around. Here we go. There's all the you can see all the tents and the garages and the motor trucks and the homes all there good to go. And there's also obviously in the pit area as well. But today's a very track focused race day, so I think we're gonna have a fair bit of fun. Hope you enjoyed today's video. All right, let's get to it.
I can feel your heart pound beating like a kick drum. Love it when I'm this drunk. Ooh, yeah, like a firefly burning for you all night. Love it when I'm this high. Ooh, yeah, like a boom boom bomb, it rocks my heart. Boom boom shake, tear me apart, baby. Your boom boom bomb, it rocks my world right.
Okay, so what can we expect today here at Croft Circuit from the BARC? Well, I've got my trusty phone out because I want to make sure I get it right. Hopefully you can hear me okay. So we've got the Catering Graduates Championship, which is going to be up, I think, shortly. We've then got the CNC Heads Sports Saloon Car Championship, the Silver Lake C1 Racing Series, the Legends Car National Championships. They're like those Mad Max rat rod type cars, and they are so cool. Heard some going around earlier on, and I'm really looking forward to getting some footage of that. And we're also going to get to see the Mini Challenge Cooper Championship, so that should be really good. Looking forward to seeing some of that as well. So yeah, some really interesting racing to see today. Yeah, let's do it. Wait, I've already said let's do it. You know what I mean. Let's go racing. So what you can hear buzzing behind me are the Legends cars. These little things are 5/8 scale replicas of pre-war 1930s Chevys and Dodges. 125 brake horsepower, 1200cc Yamaha engines, and these things are so loud, so quick. Oh my goodness.
We can go anywhere.
the mini challenge. It's broken into 2 categories. You've got your 1.6 standard non-turbo, and obviously your F56 2-litre turbo John Cooper Works. But these are the 1.6s flying around. Just some really great mini racing, if you can hear me. Oh, that's just great, isn't it? Absolutely fantastic. Watching some cars fly around the circuit, going hell-bent for leather. Over there, we've got the CNC Heads Sports Saloons Car Championships. 2 categories, further divided into 3 subcategories based on their engines of a 1600 to a 2.5 cc engine. So yeah, let's see what this is all about, eh? Day at Croft circuit, you say? Yeah, it most certainly is. But it wouldn't be a day at Croft circuit without a little bit of rain, would it? No, it wouldn't. concludes another episode of Beyond the Pedal here at Croft Circuit, as always, and it has been another great afternoon of watching some really interesting cars fly around the circuit. It's also been really nice to get to know some of the people that are involved here. Got chatting to some of the mechanics earlier on that was working for one of the Millie Challenge race teams here, and it was just really great to know kind of what goes on, the setups of the cars and how it all kind of works. So yeah, it's been a really, really good day. I hope you've enjoyed today's video, and hopefully I'm sure we'll be back here soon. Don't worry, I am going to change the circuits a little bit. God, just hear them going around. Don't worry, I'm going to change the circuit soon enough, don't worry, but there's been loads going on here at Croft Circuit, so I thought, well, you know, why not? Anyway, as always, it's great to, you know, thank all the marshals, the first aiders, the medics, the doctors, the support staff, you know, that help make these things happen. So, you know, thank you to all those people. Anyway, if you've liked today's video, you know, please give us a like, give us a subscribe, leave a comment below, tell me what you think, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you later. Signing off for now. Bye, guys.